Hey fam, ChefLorious here. Okay guys, it is time. It is giveaway time. I posted a comment in my YouTube community section about a week or two ago and I said, which would you rather have? An Instant Pot or an air fryer? Well, you guys overwhelmingly responded air fryer. Well, when I say something, I'm gonna deliver. And here we are at the giveaway. I'm giving away a 4-quart Ninja air fryer. This is the same air fryer that I used in the lemon pepper video that everybody likes. This one, yes. I'm gonna send that to you. Now, here's how you do it. And let me tell you something. I'm doing this because number one, I have the best subscribers in the world. This has been a great year. We have grown tremendously and I want us to keep pushing. So here's the rules, okay. You gotta be publicly subscribed to this channel and you gotta comment below on this video. Now when you comment below, make sure that you say something, okay? Don't just put a smiley face. Say something. You got to be 18 years or older to win. All the requirements and the rules are down in the comment section. I will pick a winner on the 27th of December. It's a 2-week contest, okay? And I'm going to announce the winner on that Wednesday the 30th. And then I will directly ship to you, the winner, a Ninja air fryer. Okay, guys, so let's get going. Get in that comment section, subscribe publicly, and get in the comment section because I want you to win. And bonus entry, if you follow me on Instagram. Head over to Instagram, follow, let me know in the comments that you're following me and give me your Instagram handle so I can find you. All right, guys, and that's a bonus entry. So if you comment here and you go over and follow me on Instagram, you get 2 entries. All right, so excited. If you have any questions, let me know. All the rules are below. Everything is clear. One winner. Contest starts on December 13th, Sunday at 10 a.m. and it runs until Sunday the 27th of December at 11:59 p.m. All right, good luck everybody. Merry Christmas and happy air frying.